After some toing and throwing, popular Jamaican track star Javon Donkeyman Francis has departed his long-time training camp and long-time coach for a new camp and new coach in Texas, USA. And you know, I remember having the discussion when Francis was hot property coming out of Calabar about the wisdom of him remaining with his high school coach, Michael Clark. Because despite Clarky being one of the best ever champs winning coaches, he never had the history or the pedigree of transitioning his outstanding juniors into senior stars. The dynamics, the skill set, the programs are completely different. And the truth be told, not every junior coach will be a successful senior coach and vice versa. Well, Donkeyman Francis obviously decided that 3 or 4 years of loyalty is enough in this short and ungrateful business. And with the World Championships coming up in 2019, the Olympics in 2020, and World Championships again in 2021, plus with the likes of Akeem Bloomfield and Nathan Allen and Demish Gay and young Christopher Taylor turning up the heat in the 400-meter event, no one can blame Donkeyman for making this move right now. But you know what the Maverick is looking forward the most of all? Is after a few weeks or a few months at this new training base in Dallas, Texas, and seeing and hearing that first Donkeyman interview on his return to Jamaica. That Texan-American accent mixed with the raw Donkeyman accent. Hey man, I'm Donkey man. Texas is nice, but nowhere better than that.